A very warm welcome again. Welcome to the group exhibit Hydrogen Fuel Cells Europe in Hanover Fair 2023. My name is Mona and I'll be your moderator for today. We're here at the Technical Forum. We are exhibiting with more than 270 exhibitors from more than 20 countries. Not only you are here, also I'm welcoming all our online guests. We are live streaming from the fair, so I'm saying hello, konnichiwa, I say moin, and also ciao, bonjour to everyone who is clicking in our online stream. This is a technical forum. Every 15 minutes we'll have new discussion around or going into deep technology regarding the hydrogen fuel cells technology and applications. We will be talking about hydrogen quality, mobile on-site gas analysis according to ISO 14687. We'll have the CEO from Dr. Ryll Lab here on stage, so please welcome with me Dr. Thomas Ryll.
So, hello everybody. I will start my presentation. Okay. So, hello everybody. My name is Thomas Ryll from Dr. Ryll Labs in Berlin. Today I want to talk a little bit about hydrogen and hydrogen quality analysis. And so I firstly start to talk about our company, the Dr. Ryll Lab. And afterwards we will talk about a little bit why to measure hydrogen quality and at least what are our solutions to measure hydrogen quality. And I've perhaps in order to the short time spot we have, if you have any questions, visit us at our booth B17. So let's get started. So the Dr. Ryll Lab company was founded in 2017. In 2018, we started our action with our approval testing center for gas measuring devices. And in Berlin, we have a laboratory. We also measure natural gas, and the last 3 years we concentrated very intensively on hydrogen. Our core competences lie in the field of manufacturing-free maintenance for gas measuring devices and as well as technical project consulting. And from an early stage, I would say, we have focused on hydrogen and have one of the most modern laboratories for hydrogen quality in Europe. In order to cope with the changing market requirements, we are conducting several research projects. And beside the development of mobile laboratory for hydrogen quality analysis, we are also developing production units for hydrogen and synthesis gas. By the way, our company is accredited in accordance with international standards according to the ISO 17025. So, what do we offer? What are our core competences? Of course, I talked about our laboratory, but we also do a lot of service and maintenance on analysis systems. We also do a lot of consulting for all aspects of the hydrogen market. And at least we do a lot of testing and providing calibration gases for natural gas measurements and also for hydrogen gases, and the last year we started to qualify some components for perhaps compressors, and so to get an H2 ready certificate. So let's talk about a little bit more about hydrogen and why do we measure hydrogen? Of course, hydrogen quality is very important within the industry and especially for the mobility sector. Hydrogen used in the mobility sector is subject to very high quality standards. Beside the industry purity standard of hydrogen 5.0, There are standards and directives like the ISO 14687 as well as the German DIN standard. A clear hydrogen quality standard is not only the basis for billing, but it also defines product expectations between hydrogen producers and consumers. Quality assurance from start to finish of a value stream protects your business from quality issues and respect follow-up costs such as equipment damage. There are different strategies which can be used for process monitoring. We can certainly help you to identify the optimum solution for your application and business. So, how do we measure hydrogen? We think there are different ways to measure the hydrogen quality, and we are always looking on the high quality standards according to the ISO 14687 and the PEM fuel cell applications. So, on the one hand, we are providing mobile analytics. We call it an online in situ analysis. We offer a unique mobile online system. You can, I hope you can see it. Yes, no, you can see it on the van here, the bottom left side. So we are able to measure the hydrogen quality direct at filling stations or during a commissioning or production facility. Thereby, potential quality issues can be identified directly on-site and in real time. This approach does not only enable valuable time savings during the commissioning, but also ensures compliance with the required quality standards. On the other hand, we have a well-equipped laboratory in Berlin. So everybody can then send samples to us. We also do our own samplings, and samples can be analyzed in our laboratory using the most precise and state-of-the-art analytical device. The sampling process is prone to errors and should therefore only be carried out by qualified personnel. The laboratory analytic system could also serve as a backup measurements solution in order to validate our measurement system and calibrating gases, ensuring best quality analytic results. And last but not least, there are on-site analytic systems, and therefore you can install an on-site analytic system. Mostly it is more cost-intensive than other solutions, but it does, however, offer some analytical benefits. The measuring system is installed close to the process site, and the gas stream can be analyzed according to the required sampling rate. We therefore configure the right measurement solution for your application. By defining, I always say, by defining the critical parameters and detection limits for your process. During commissioning, the installed analytical system is validated perhaps for our mobile system. So we combine the different possible solutions for the measuring system. So let's talk about a little bit more about these technologies. And let us a little bit deep dive into our mobile lab. Our mobile laboratory vehicle allows us to carry out on-site analysis according to laboratory standards directly at the customer site of production, storage or utilization. The advantage are the quick availability of the results and the prevention of possible contamination during the sampling process. The innovative on-site sampling system enables online measurements in almost every application up to 1,000 bar. Furthermore, at hydrogen filling stations, the sampling can be carried out by a built-in hydrogen tank in our vehicle using the station fuel nozzle. This can be done without any assistance of a customer or a manufacturer. So at least we are an accredited testing laboratory, so we are working to the highest standard, quality standards and international directives. In addition, we are working according to our international internal developed and validated standards. Furthermore, our measurement system has been validated against perhaps the ISO 14687 in cooperation with a very well-known and big German key supplier of special gases. So, and now I'm talking a little bit more about our laboratory in Berlin. We provide a so-called full-service laboratory for gas sampling. So, what is it and what were we talking about? Following the sampling process through or the customer's qualified personnel, so we can come to your factory, or you can send us samples, and the samples will be perhaps dispatched into our laboratory and analyzed using our advanced and precise analytics. Our service team will provide you with a sampling kit as well as a transportation box and organize the pickup and dispatch to our laboratory for you. If required, an on-site sampling system can be installed, allowing straightforward handling and sampling. After the analysis, you will receive a detailed result report. Our experts with competency in hydrogen will be happy to discuss the results and advise you with further steps. So, and at least I want to talk a little bit about our approach for on-site analytics system. So, first step, for the installation for an on-site analytics system, we can guide you through the entire project from the planning phase to the successful implementation, commissioning and operation. We can advise you on possible weak spots along the value stream of your hydrogen application. If required, your process chain will be analyzing using our mobile analytics system. Based on these results and on your requirements, we will select a customized analytics solution to meet your demands, whereby the most cost-effective solution can be identified. So we are specialized in the execution of turnkey projects and can assist with their implementation into your overall system. During the commissioning and validation phase of your system, functionally can be proven by the comparative measurement against our mobile and/or laboratory analytics. So recurring measurements will ensure continuous compliance of your system against ISO and other standards, and will therefore guarantee complete quality assurance of your process. So at last I would talk about a little bit what is inside such an on-site analytical system. So after defining the critical process parameters, we have a basic system. We always talk about a basic system. Basic system includes all the parameters which are critical for your process, perhaps nitrogen, perhaps water, perhaps oxygen. So it is always in an electrical cabinet, mostly with air conditioning. This integrated sampling conditioning system up to 1000 bar due to your needs. And of course, gas safety monitoring and integrated sampling collection. Of course, you can add some modules due to your needs. So I see young woman is coming. At least there are extension modules for most of the critical parameters, and if you wish, you can have an analysis in accordance with the complete ISO standard. So I will take an end. So.